be showing you super quick and easy breakfast ideas you can make before school, and not only are these really easy to make, but they are also all so delicious. I would love to know in the comments below, what is your favorite thing to have for breakfast? My absolute favorite thing to have for breakfast is definitely pancakes. Let's see if we can get this video to 6,872 thumbs up. That would be so awesome, and it would make me so happy. So go ahead and click the thumbs up button. I thought it would be so much fun if we started a notification squad. So if you want to be part of the notification squad, just go ahead and click the little bell icon, and then just comment below that you are part of the hashtag notification squad, and then I might pick your comment to feature in my next video. If this is my first video that you're seeing, then hello, my name is Gillian. I'm so excited that you found my channel, and if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then just go ahead and click the red subscribe button, and then whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it. So I think it's time that I start showing you these amazing, delicious, and super easy breakfast ideas. Oh my gosh, they're all so good. I hope you guys love them, and let's get started. Starting with this amazing and delicious homemade toasted muesli, and I love making this so much. I'll make like a big batch of it at the start of the week, and then I'll keep it in an airtight container, and then I'll eat it during the week with like yogurt or acai, or like even just on top of a smoothie bowl. It is so good. So first, to a bowl, add some oats, pumpkin seeds, slithered almonds, sunflower kernels, coconut flakes, and then mix this all together, and then set this aside. And then just grab a saucepan, and to this add some brown sugar, honey, cinnamon, vanilla, and some water, and then place this over a low heat and keep an eye on it and just stir it until all the sugar has dissolved. And then you're going to want to pour this over the oat mixture, and oh my gosh, this smells so incredible. It just smells cozy and delicious, and oh my gosh, I love it so much. So then just spread this out onto a lined baking tray. So you can hear I'm just spreading it out evenly, and then we're just going to pop this into a moderate oven, and you're going to want to bake it for about 10 minutes, but just keep an eye on it, and you just want to wait until it's lightly golden. So while that's baking, you can just go ahead and prepare your dried fruit. So I wanted to add goji berries and apricot to mine, so I just cut up some apricots, but you could add dried apple or really whatever kind of dried fruit you like. So then just take the muesli out of the oven and add your dried fruits, and oh my gosh, this is seriously the best part of the muesli. I love apricot in my muesli so much. So then you can just go ahead and store this in an airtight container once it's cooled down, and then you have this awesome muesli ready to go for the week. So here I am having it with some delicious yogurt. So I've just put some berries in a jar and then topped it with some plain Greek yogurt, and then I'm putting some muesli and just layering it all so it looks super Instagrammable and just super cute. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is the best muesli ever. I'm obsessed with it. It is so delicious, and I'll just snack on it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Next, we have this amazing breakfast bruschetta, and I love bruschetta and I love avocado on toast, so this is like mixing the two together. So the first thing you're going to need to do is prepare your avocado, and oh my gosh, this was like the most perfect avocado ever. It is like the best feeling when your avocado looks amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I just scooped it out of its skin, and then I just chopped it up into smaller pieces, and then just pop this into a bowl. And then I just squeeze some lemon on top, and then we're going to need some little cherry tomatoes, and then just chop these up into little pieces. And then add the tomatoes to your avocado, and then here I'm just tearing up some little basil leaves and adding this to the tomato and avocado mixture, and then just a dash of olive oil, and then you can go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper, and then you just want to super gently toss this all together. Then I'm just preparing my bread, so I had some sourdough bread with this, but you could just use totally use like regular bread. I just wanted to be fancy. So I'm toasting my sourdough bread, and then you just want to place some of your avocado mixture on top, and oh my gosh, this tasted so delicious. And how good does it look? Oh my gosh, I was so happy with how this one looked. I took so many photos of it, so get ready to see this like all over my Instagram. So now for one of my favorite go-to breakfasts at the moment, we're going to be making a smoothie bowl, and this one is a berry smoothie bowl, but you can make it with whatever fruits you like. I just like using berries because it makes my smoothie bowl pink. So first I'm just going to be mixing all my smoothie ingredients together. So we've got some strawberries, raspberries, banana, oats, and a dash of almond milk, and then I'm just blending this all together, and I love the color that this smoothie goes. It's like a bright pink, and oh my gosh, that makes me so happy. So then you just want to go ahead and pour this into a bowl, and now it's time for the toppings, and you can put whatever you like on top. So I've just got a few different ingredients here, starting with the muesli that we made earlier. Then I've just got some banana, some kiwi fruit, and some chia, and then I also just put a little bit of toasted coconut on top. But this is the finished smoothie bowl. It's super quick and easy to make, super delicious, and really healthy for you. Oh my gosh, how amazing did those foods look? I love breakfast food so much, seriously. I would eat breakfast food for every meal. Like, it is so good. If you enjoyed today's video, you can go ahead and let me know by giving this video a massive thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!